Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add the Solana network to Metamask. So first and foremost, click on this drop down arrow up there and then select the BNB Smart Chain network. So after selecting it, wait for it to load and then switch to that network right away. So by default, we are in the Ethereum mainnet, but you will have to switch from that Ethereum mainnet to the BNB. So over here, what you're going to do is simple. You're going to come and click on this button over here down which says import tokens. Okay, so let's be patient until it's done loading. All right, so click on this one, says import tokens over here down. Okay, so after clicking on that, come on custom tokens. Now when you come on custom tokens, you head to Google and then search for the Add Solana contract address. All right, so I'll now go back to my Google Chrome and then I'll get it from CoinMarketCap. All right, so I'll paste this one over here and it says Add Solana CoinMarketCap. All right, so click on search and then select the first website there, the official website of CoinMarketCap. All right, so now scroll down until you see the contract address. So the contract address is over here. Okay, this one over here where you see contracts. All right, so going to come and copy this contract address over here. So let's wait until it's done loading. It will give us an option of copying. If you want, you can click on more. When you click on more, you see other contract addresses that you might need. All right, so right now it's downloading. As you can see, this is the information and this is even the price of this coin. So CoinMarketCap gives you every information you need. All right, so you come and click on these icons over here and then copy this contract address. After copying the contract address, head back to Metamask and then come and paste it over here. So when you paste it over here, wait for it to be initiated and then click on next. So when you click on next, you'll see over here it will automatically be initiated by this. Token decimals are 18 and then the token symbol is GNO. All right, so after here, just need to put in this token decimals and then also put in this. All right, for the symbol, you come back to CoinMarketCap and then you look for the symbol. So the symbol is always down here. All right, so I think it remained the same. Okay, so it remained like this and then click on next. So when you click on next, you have successfully added Solana to your MetaMask. All right, so guys, thanks for watching. Watch and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.